How to rotate iPhone screen. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to rotate iPhone screen. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Before moving on with the video, make sure that your iPhone screen won't rotate at all times as there are apps that do not have the screen rotation feature. So now go ahead and open any of the apps that you want to rotate the screen of. Now, slide down from the right side of your screen. You will be led to the control center of your iPhone. In here, make sure the option for portrait orientation lock is disabled, as when this feature is enabled, the iPhone will not rotate on any apps. So once you have ensured that the portrait orientation lock is not enabled, simply tilt your iPhone to the side you want the screen on and the screen will rotate to that particular side of the screen. So this is how you can rotate iPhone screen. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.